Hey guys, do you know what I hate? Glasses. You know, this object that sits on my face and causes me pain and horror my whole life. Hey, nerd! All right. 16, I finally got my license.
Hey,
I can drive. Yeah, right. I'm in a car now. You can't hit me with that stupid ball. What the? No. No. Ah! Hey guys.
Hey, nerd!
Not again. No. Oh, forget it. But what's worse than that is that, just like anything else, if you want something nice, you have to pay for it. And if you don't have the money, you're just gonna end up looking stupid.
So, those are the ones you went with?
Yeah, they're the only ones I could afford. Why? Does it look stupid?
Yes.
Also, I'm so dependent on my glasses. If they break, or if I lose them, I end up looking even more stupid. What? Calm down! What the? Dude, I'm fine! I'm fine! So how about you guys? Do you hate glasses, or do you love them? Or maybe you have some fix for them. How about you let me know in the comment box below?
It's comment time! So I noticed that a lot of you guys actually went and did translations of your parents. And I mean a lot of you. Almost all the comments were translations, and a lot of them were actually pretty funny or true. Except for this one. You should probably check out Child Services, buddy. Seriously. Call them. This is messed up. And no, I'm not dead. Leave it alone!
Okay.
You're smiling.
Yes.
Of course it looks